Okay, so I assume that you downloaded the dataset and I moved the file to this way, like C drive homework 4 folder, and I extracted the zip file and I got these files. So just to have a quick explanation what they are. So this is what we are going to use. TCT is a Stata file called dictionary. So it is a dictionary data file, which means it contains the variable information as well as the data, like you will see what it means, what I mean here. And CDB is codebook. You can open this on the Notepad app. And this file is a to file, and we will also use this file to label the variables. So let me show you what we are going to do with how to import the dictionary data file. So here, I'm going to change working directory to the folder I saved my data file, and as usual, I will open a to-file editor, and I will try to copy. I will copy everything on my to file. So, and I'm going to type for something like that. Something like that. Change it folder, and now I'm going to import the dictionary data file. And it is different from what we have done earlier. So in import menu, there is a option choice text data in fixed format with a dictionary. This is what we need. Click this, and you just need to choose this. So because I changed the category, automatically you will see this TCT file, dictionary Stata dictionary file. Click it. Okay. Then we get the data we downloaded. Have a look. Let's see. So mother's education, father's education, like ID, sample ID, race, sex, AFQT test score, occupation, wage, region, education, age, weeks worked. So these are the variables we chose to download in the previous video. And also, you can just have a look at the data by clicking this data editor browser. Here, you see there are variable names are hard to recognize what they are. And also, for example, think about this. R0214700. This is race. But the problem is race is encoded as 3, 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. It's a number. I don't know what 2 means, what 3 means. So it is less convenient. Then, now what we are going to do is we are going to use the to file that comes with the data. So on the to file editor, click open. By the way, I will copy this just before I forget. So this is and copy, like press open, and now open the to file. So then this is the to file that comes with the data. And what you need to do is you need to make a short modification, that is this part. we are going to, so now this code is disabled because it starts with /star and ends with /star. So before start and end, you copy this outside of the annotation. So I copied this code into like above, or you can simply erase. Okay, it will be easier to like equivalent. You may just simply erase these two lines so that you enable these lines and then execute. Let's see what happens. Then the to file is executed, and now the difference here is, first, observe that the variable names are now changed. Earlier it is like R021 something, but now it says race, sex, AFQT, occupation. So easier to understand, and also now it shows what is what. Like race, earlier it was 33331 like numbers, which is hard to understand what they are, but now it shows what it means. So the to file labels the information, gives names for the data. So this is we are ready now. We are ready to use the data. So we are going to save the data as homework 4, because now we are going to use this data set. So I will save at this time. And the next thing is to clean. We have to clean the data to see, like, you remember that when we download the data, we checked that there are some invalid answers, like refused to answer, or I don't know, or just skipped a question. To handle that, I will open Notepad. It is just a Notepad if you use Windows, and I will drag codebook file to here. Loading data anyway, yes. What it is? Normalize the line endings, yes. So then this file, CDB format file, contains this information. So we can clean the data by looking at this codebook. So what we are going to do here is, let me save the I'm going to drop the variables that we do not use. So I'm going to type here. I will drop case ID, this variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this variable and this variable. These two variables are not used. So we will write a command, drop these two variables. And then we are going to drop the invalid answers. So to do that, we have to look at this codebook. So for this variable, HGC mother variable, the invalid answers are -1, -2, -3, and -4 also. -4 and -5, that's valid skips, but anyhow, these guys need be deleted from our data set. So we are going to delete them, drop. So I will type directly on the to file. drop HGC mother 1979. If it is smaller than 0, if I have to put if drop if this variable is smaller than 0. And we have to do this one by one. This variable is cleaned, and also for father's variable we have to clean. For the father's variable we have to delete these guys, minus guys, same thing. Drop if HGC father 1979 is smaller than 0. So we cleaned these two variables if their answer is invalid. And similarly, we will keep going, and I'm going to stop here, and we'll keep doing this in the next video. So finish up to this point and see in the next video.